Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Brightbox. So, on one of my videos called TikTok Life Hacks, Disha commented saying that can I do one more video on card magic? So, it's time for me to make your comments come true. So, let's begin with another episode of card magic. So for this first magic trick, I'm going to use a picture of a king of clubs. And what am I going to do is, I'm going to remove this card from the phone. And I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So in 3, 2, 1. Amazed? And now I'm going to teach you how to do this magic trick. So for this magic trick, you need a normal card. So in this case, I have chosen the king of clubs. And now what did I do with the picture is, this is actually not a gimmick picture. If you can see, the card is kind of close to the edge. Now what you need to do is, you need to zoom this so that you can scroll it easily. And I'm providing this picture in a few seconds. I'm going to tell you when. And then you take this card and you place it right behind. So when you scroll it, at the same time you take the picture, and so it actually creates a really convincing illusion that feels like you have actually taken the card from your phone, like that. And I'm going to provide the picture in 3, 2, 1. While performing this magic trick, I won't say anything because this trick is self-explanatory. So let's begin. Amazed? So now I'm going to tell you how to do this magic trick. You need 2 separate cards for this. And now, how did I do it? It's pretty simple. So you take your index finger, you place your card right here in the exact middle. And then when you fold it and then you show the audience, it kind of seems like this. So the card is not visible, but actually it's right here. And now you take this card, you hold it. And so it seems like I'm just holding this card. You get it right here. You put it in your pocket, but instead of putting it in your pocket, you secretly just palm it inside, okay, so that you can't see it. See? And when you put it in the pocket at the same time, just flick it over so that it creates an illusion that the card is magically teleported, like this. Easy? And now, how did I do it multiple times? So I'll tell you. When you get the card, you need to first it right here, and then what's happening is I'm just taking this card and flicking it over back to its original position, and I'm just doing it simultaneously. So I'm just using 2 cards right here, like this. So this is, first of all, this is going to be like this, okay, and I'm going to take the same card and I'm going to just replace their positions back to normal. I'm going to do the same trick over and over again. It is a super easy trick, but it takes a lot of practice to do it. Even I wasn't able to do it at first, but now I can do it, kind of. So you can do various variations with this as well, like I don't have anything in my hand and suddenly a card just appeared, and that's how you do the second magic trick. So this third magic trick is not a card magic, but it is the oldest magic trick in the world. And this magic trick was invented in the Egyptian civilization. Here I have a paper napkin, and now I'm going to tear this up. How much ever I want. I'm gonna make it a ball. A ball. I'm going to put it in my fist. I'm gonna clench it up. You can see a ball. You can compress it as much as you want. Just remove all your rage on that ball. And now I'm going to say, take the same old ball. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open this thing. And you see that the tissue paper which I had torn is magically restored. And by the way, nothing in my hands. Absolutely. And now I'm going to show you how to do this magic trick. So the secret to this magic trick is pretty simple. You require two separate pieces of the one tissue paper. Now you're gonna simply crumple this and just compress it as small as you can, like that, and hide it in your fist. You show the audience that you have one tissue paper. What you need to do is tear it. And now you make it into a ball, compress it as much as you want. And then what you need to do, you simply put it in your fist with the other paper ball and you clench it more, say that you're compressing it more. And while taking it, make sure that the restored paper ball, the paper ball which is not torn, is on the top, and show that this is the paper ball. They will think that it's only one because it looks like that though. And then just keep it in your fist. Now remove the one which is not torn and simply just throw the one down. And now when you open this tissue paper, people will feel like it's magically restored, but it's actually not. This is a separate paper and that was a separate paper. So this is how you do these easy magic tricks and just fool people whenever you want. So hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe and comment down any topic you want me to speak on. It's magic, it's magic. I've got the vibe you need.